Hi friends, today I'll show you how to use air compressor. This is portable one. So when you go for long drives, if you find air is less in your tires, so this is very useful. And in night. Okay, I'll show you how to connect this air compressor. This is Tusa brand. I bought it in Amazon, so you can go and buy. So what are the things inside? Yeah, this is the main one, and these are the pins. Suppose if you want to connect volleyball or football, so those things also you can fill with these pins. So this is the main one, and inside that here you can find warranty card and product manual how to use. So yeah, this is the machine. And yeah, you can see this is the DC 12 volts. So you can't connect with the USB. So this is the pin. So I already connected something here. I'll remove it. Yeah, first this one you need to connect here. This is a 12 volt pin. So this we have a long wire, so we can go to the which tire we want to fill. So we need to go there, and suppose if we need to start this machine, so our car engine also should be start. Here some of the instructions are there, so please read it before starting the mission. So if I set it 35 psi, suppose if I want to increase, I can increase here. If I want to decrease, I can decrease here. So I have set it 35 here. So before connecting to this plug into here, so you need to set it to psi. So I have set it 35. Then what I am doing, I am connecting to this pin. So you need to pull like this, and you need to fix it, and you need to close this one. So you can see here my pressure is 32.5, my tire pressure is. So what I need to do, I have set it 35. Now I need to start. It stopped automatically. So this is how you can use. And the main important thing is this one, don't use continuously for more than 7 to 10 minutes. Break for 10 minutes before reuse. So this is the